Do you like your table?
Table woman. Wait, what? Did I get that chocolate?
Go ahead, open it up.
Open it, boy. Open it.
Oh.
So I gotta
He's
open it
loving
for
the
him.
table.
Try it again.
No, man.
Open it, buddy.
Open it.
You rip it?
Rip it. Put it with the kid. Huh? What is it? An airplane. And now it's my turn.
Hold on. Let's get Roman one more. Look how many you've opened. Look at that. Look how many you've opened already.
Another one for Roman.
I'm gonna open this one next. I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna hold it.
Okay.
Dad, after he opens the other one, can I open this one?
That's you.
It says Ruby.
Sorry, I mean to mess up your propeller. Yeah. Okay. It crashed. Look.
Ooh, I know where it lands. Land in the duck.
That's right. Is that a runway? Daddy, why don't you give him another one of those airplanes to open?
It's one.
What that is.
I know. Give him another one to open.
Here, Roman. Ruby, look out. Ruby, look out. Grab your present, Ruby. Get your present.
Why don't you guys do it together this time?
Only says Ruby.
Roman.
No, I know. I mean, you open that one while Roman opens the other one.